All right, Mike, so next, I want to go over ball position with you.
Okay.
So when you're positioning a golf ball, where do you think for a 7-iron is the ideal ball position?
I would say right around the middle of the distance.
Good,
Okay.
I agree. Yeah, so for irons, for the most part, you want to go in the middle, wedges in the back, woods in the front. So when you're positioning your ball, that's super important because that's actually where you're going to make contact at impact. So, yeah, so on your next swing, so I think the key with the driver, because the driver, in a way, is the most important club because it sets you up for either success or failure going into the hole. The most important thing is what you're thinking pre-swing. So, first, grip, alignment, posture. Those are the 3 most important things in golf. If you can remember those 3 things, you'll go far. I promise. So, once you stand back here, what would you say, because like driving range is enormous, you could hit it 40 yards to the left and you're in play.
Yeah.
What would you say is your target if you had to pick one?
I'll say that the first tall striped hole there.
Okay, perfect. So why don't we, so a nice little visual that I like to do, like irons is different because you're hitting at a green, but in this scenario, you're not really hitting at a green, you're hitting at the fairway. So why don't we, see how the handicap holes are kind of in a line there?
Yeah.
So why don't we use that and then net, and that'll be like a nice fairway. You know, it might be a little bit wider, but since we're practicing, we'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Okay? So why don't you tee a ball up here? It's okay. So now stop right there. What was the biggest difference between those 2 putts that you noticed?
I think as I missed this one here, I kind of overcorrected here. I think tapped it.
In what sense? So in terms of speed?
I definitely hit it a little slower than well, definitely with the second one, I hit it too fast, too hard. For this one here, I hit it a little too thin.
It's okay. Yeah, so I mean, the biggest thing I noticed was the way you accelerated through the golf ball. That first putt, you hit it almost as if it was a 10-foot putt, and this putt, you hit it as if it was a 3-foot putt.
Okay.
So I'd say when you're hitting putts, this is a pretty straight green, or flat green, I'm sorry, and you know, uphill, downhill, we can get into that at another time, but for this, right now, your goal is to hit it about 16 inches or so past the hole.
Okay.
So, you know, you're from right there, if you're going to miss it, you want to put it at max from that far away.
Okay.
Because at least you're not setting yourself up for failure if you
Too far
put it
away.
so. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. So why don't we start again?